Sir.
Yes, dear brothers and sisters, good morning. Very happy to be here with you all. As you said, it's I came out from 2000. I passed out from 2000, so almost it is 21 years happened. I have physical interaction with people in GCT. So I'm very happy to talk to you in front of you. Before that, I just would like to appreciate your interest towards the community building, and I wish you all the best for Yellow Cap community. Um, you gave me an introduction. I just introduce myself and then start my presentation. As you said already very clearly, myself Devraj Shivalingam. When I joined 21 years back to my work, my manager welcomed me and said, Devraj, the one profession which civilized the entire world. The world is now what we see. How we developed is because of the civil engineers. So our profession is one profession which is a reason for the nation building. The entire civilization, who we are, is because of civil engineers. So be proud to be a civil engineer. With the golden words, I started my career 21 years back. I am from Chennai, where is the infrastructure major giant L&T is working. So, as you said, I am working in L&T for 14 years in L&T, and previously I worked for other places also, around 6-7 years. And why am I here? Why am I here? What are you going to get through this? Maybe next 45 minutes presentation or whatever, how much interest you are having. That is no, why are we here? So the entire presentation is already given this. The topic is resume building. So at the end of the presentation, you will get an idea of how to build a resume and what are all the questions you are having and civil engineer supposed to have while going out of graduation. While passing out, what are the civil engineering capabilities one should develop within themselves? If whatever I know, I share you. If some of the questions at the end of the presentation, you can have some question and answers and session. I will answer you in this forum itself. Otherwise, we will see how to handle further for the detailed explanation of the particular person. Okay. So why am I here? To give you some insights what I know to you. So at the end of the presentation, you should take something from me. So who is responsible? I have taken some sincere effort to give you something through some presentation, through some sample resumes, and I prepared some stories to tell you also. So I prepared myself for the communication part, and the as much as you are engaging and asking right questions, we will try to get the intent of the workshop. Okay. I just have one question. Am I communicating? Is the workflow, is the speed of the is okay? Everything is okay? Can we go with that, or shall we change something? Is all okay?
Yes, sir. Everything is fine, sir.
Okay. So one thing, no, a bit of the interest. How much people having any problem in understanding Tamil? Can I mix Tamil and English? Is any one of people, one of you will not understand English? I mean Tamil. This did all you people understand Tamil?
No, sir, I can, sir.
You can't.
Yes, sir, actually I'm from North India, sir, so I pronounce it Tamil.
Okay. I try to speak mostly in English, and bit of the thing I combined English after Tamil, so that I will use same thing, repeat in Tamil also for the reach of the entire people. But I tell everything in English. If some of the words I use in Tamil, it does not mean that it is you are missing something. It is already spelled out in before in English, then only I will repeat the same thing in Tamil. So if I talk something in Tamil, you will not going to miss anything. Okay?
Okay,
So
sir. Okay, sir. Yes.
don't feel anyone bad if I speak if one or two words or one or few sentences. Maybe for the interest of the flow, no. Maybe if I add something before in and I would have used the English properly. Then only I will use Tamil. Okay? Fine. Before going resume building, I just tell a story. Okay? So one second. I just show. Yes, I have shown. I told you about myself. Anyway, I will show you this. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir, we can see, sir. It's visible, sir.
Yeah. Okay. So this is my qualification. I have, as you said already, ME Structures, MBA Finance, and MSc Psychology. I'm presently working as engineering manager in LTTS. Okay. So we will go with the short story now, and we'll proceed. We'll proceed and resume building later. Okay. So I'm just stopping my sharing. 1 second. First for a few minutes to see you better now. Okay, I'll be sharing you again. So I'll be sharing a story. Once upon a time, there was a king named Yoya. The king would like to listen only yes from his subordinates. Whatever he says, he want to listen yes from his subordinate, nothing else. So one fine time, like June month, no, he finds very hot in his place. So he want to move to take some vacation time for 10 days, 15 days. So he moved to Masinakudi near Ooty for the vacation for 10 days. First day he enjoyed a lot. He went for hunting. He roamed a lot with his team soldiers. He hunted a lot. The whole day is very interesting for him. Then evening, fine evening, he came back to the palace and had a nice dinner. Then went for sleep. He had a deep sleep. Maybe after a couple of hours, he had a sound. Cluck, 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 cluck. That very sound is not able to allow him to sleep. He tried to pull his bedsheet and tried to sleep, but that sound not allow him to sleep. Then he woke up from the bed and, who is there? Servant came. Yes, my lord. What is the sound? Where it is coming from? The servant said, Lord, the sound is coming from the nearby pond. The frogs are making sound. I am unable to sleep. Sorry, my lord, this is usual. We cannot help you. The entire night, the king did not sleep. The next day, in the palace, he assembled a meeting with ministers and asked them, hello guys, did you have good sleep yesterday? All the people said, yeah, we had a good sleep. Yeah, yes. The king said, nonsense. I did not have a good sleep. This frog sound not allow me to sleep. What are you saying? Then everybody said, yeah, we also did not sleep. The frog sound not allowed to sleep. Then said, soldiers, before tonight, you have to go everywhere nearby this place, kill all the frogs. I want to sleep tonight peacefully. Listening this conversation, one of the girl named Pavitra came forward. My lord, this is not correct. You should not kill frogs. Then suddenly her grandfather come in front of the audience. My lord, sorry, please forgive her. By mistake, she talked in front of you. She's studying in Coimbatore GCT College. She don't know about you. She unknowingly talked in front of you. Please forgive her. She's a young girl. The king said, all right, this is the first time as she's a student, I forgive her. Leave it. Listening all the story, all this conversation, one frog sitting in the niche of the window suddenly jumped out of the window and informed the conversation to the fellow frogs in the pond. Then all the frogs went out of the village. When the soldiers went to kill the frogs, there is no frogs at all. That evening, king thought that he will have a good sleep. But similar thing, he had a 1 hour sleep. Suddenly there is a sound. Noise of a mosquito. Got frustrated. The king got frustrated. What is this? Who is this? Who is there? Servant came and my lord, what happened? What is the sound? Where is it coming from? My lord, this is the sound of mosquito. But yesterday it was not there. Yes, lord, it is not there, but today it is coming. That day also, he is not able to sleep. Next day, again he assembled the meeting. Guys, did you all have a good sleep? As usual, people said, yeah, we had a good sleep. Nonsense. You guys are fools. I didn't have a good sleep. Then again, as usual, said, yeah, we too do not have a good sleep. Then again, the young little wise girl Pavitra came forward. My lord, I told you yesterday, this is wrong. Today you're going to kill mosquito. That is very wrong. I cannot tolerate this. You have to stop. Then, as usual, her grandfather come to save her. My lord, I beg your pardon. Please forgive her. She is interested in ecosystem. She's presented lot of papers, lot of patents she is having in ecosystem to save the every human and the entire living beings. So she is interested in, because of she's traveled lot of places and presented lot of papers in saving the ecosystem. She had some knowledge. So without knowing the consequences, she talked in front of you. Kindly forgive her. Listening all this conversation, king this time did not get angry and talked to Pavitra. Okay, fine. Yesterday I did not allow you to talk. You tell me, what are you trying to say right now? How to solve the problem? I am unable to sleep. Then she said, this is the nature. Frog eats mosquitoes. You did not hear mosquito sound because frog ate all mosquitoes. You did not hear sound of mosquito. Today there is no mosquito. You hear sound of mosquito. If you kill mosquito, tomorrow there is a big problem happens. Mosquitoes are the one of the reason for pollination and having lot of growth of plants. Okay, if you kill mosquitoes, that is the end of our entire ecosystem. You should not kill mosquitoes. Listening all this thing, the king got more interested. I am very interesting. Can you tell about more thing? Since suddenly she picked a resume from her bag, a one-page resume. She pulled her from a bag and presented to the king. This is my resume, my lord. I have presented all the works I have done, all the paper presented through the various organizations, the various colleges, IIT and various institutions and university. Whatever the paper presented, whatever the conferences I attended on the ecosystem, and whatever the trainings I did to my juniors through the yellow community, also I presented here. You can have a look on it. And when the king opened the one-page resume, she mentioned very clearly her career objective. I am seeking an opportunity to train people to build a positive ecosystem for the entire living being, including human and animals and insects. This world is for everything. I would like to serve for everyone. I would like to develop critical thinking skills for the entire nation. I want to train people. I'm seeking a training position in esteemed organization. And her qualifications she mentioned where she is pursuing her qualification, and then below he put a higher secondary where she did in, and then secondary school, and then her academic projects and her co-curricular activities, all she mentioned in this resume. And by seeing the resume, the king was impressed and not only offered an training portion, the king appointed Pavitra as the education minister for the state. End of the story. Okay, so story time is over. Let's go to our topic. Can you see my screen again?
Yes, sir. Screen is visible, sir. We can see it.
Yeah. Thank you. So, what we have learned from the stories, particular story, what we have learned, the technical skills and the soft skills of the required, and what she showcased, what the young girl showcased in front of the king. Technical skills like ecosystem. Then she presented papers in many places. She understood the nature of the requirements of the prospective employers and breathtaking efforts. The first day, king told, "I will kill you." The person to the king, he will kill. But again, second day, she knows she will be having a severe punishment. However, she took a decision through the breathtaking efforts to convey her message. She is very clear in communication and critical thinking skills. Once frog killed, what will happen next? What is the consequences? She had critical thinking skills. She has a strong desire to save the ecosystem. She has an empathy on all the living things. And she has forward thinking. Yes, whatever happened is happened. Yesterday, king threatened her. But however, she did not have fear. She had a forward thinking. So this is the technical skills and soft skills, what we saw in the story. Then, how many pages she presented to the king? Anybody? The resume, what she presented, the young girl presented to the king. Anybody?
Yes, if you want to talk, you can unmute yourself, sir. Just raise your hands, you can unmute.
One or two people. How many pages she submitted to the king?
So people are responding in the chat box, saying single page.
Single page. Okay. Somebody, if you talk one person, you can. I'm unable to see the chats together. Once I see this my PowerPoint, I'm unable to see the chats. So somebody, you can read from the chat. You can communicate to me. So one page. So what I'm trying to say, a resume for the fresher is good enough to have one page or 2 pages. So from the story we saw 1 page resume she gave. What I am saying, Devraj Shivalingam, I am saying 1 or 2 pages is good for fresher. Let us see later also again with some samples. So already who is the girl, another girl in the meeting? I am just saying something introduced, no, that girl also saying 1 or 2 pages. So it is good to have 2 pages for resume. When you're preparing a resume, you keep it in your mind to prepare for 1 or 2 pages. We will have some sample resumes also, no worries. Then we saw number of pages. Then what next? Contact information. The header of the resume shall have your contact information, your name, your contact number, your email ID, and your profile. Civil engineer, whatever the profile, maybe whatever your designation, whatever the school profile, maybe I do not know whatever they're giving, civil engineer, and your photo, contact information. And the photo shall be having your shoulder also, and it should be straightforward face, not like this. So show your entire face. When you presenting photo, the photo is not compulsory. However, when you decided to show photo, don't take a hard copy of the photo. Just take a scanned copy and merge it with a Word file. Don't take hard copy and paste it. It is not a good practice. Show your entire face. Show shoulder and up. Use a high quality photo. Keep your face forward, facing forward. Show your friendly and approachable smile. Show a photo with business formal, like you wear a coat with tie for a male students, and the female girls, you can wear a coat, overcoat, not required tie. And don't be too close. Don't use a selfie. Don't use dark lighting, and any angle photo is not good. Don't use a messy hair, and don't use too much of makeup. And this is some of the good profile photos. This is not, don't use having beard and this angle photos and all, not good. Okay. And career objective. What is the career objective that young girl presented in the resume? Can somebody tell that? So can one of you can read the chat and please help me if somebody is saying what is the career objective she presented? Somebody? Anyone? Yarachum? What is that young girl and the young girl and the Raja kitta tannோட career objective என்ன சொன்னாங்க? What she conveyed her career objective to the king.
Sir, chat box to serve everything in the world அப்படின்னு reply போட்டிருக்காங்க sir.
Okay, fine. To serve everything in the world, to save the ecosystem. Okay, to seek a first word என்ன சொன்னாங்கன்னா seeking first word what she used, seeking a training position in your organization to improve the critical thinking skills of the employees and people to develop and save the ecosystem. That is what she mentioned. So the career objective is to be precise. It is not like I am looking for suitable position. You should not mention, you should not allow employers to assume suitable position. You should understand what is your capability, what is your ability, what you are looking for, and you have to frame the career objective. So what am I trying to convey? நான் இப்ப என்ன சொல்ல வரேன்னா, the career objective is not fixed. It is, அது வந்து ஒரு நிரந்தரமானது கிடையாது. 50% is fixed. It is because it is coming out of your capability, your ability. What do you know that you should put it? And second point, the position, the employment you are looking in a particular organization, what is the position available? Based on the position, you should capture the word from the advertisement. You put, I am seeking an site engineer, seeking a design engineer position in your esteemed organization, Larsen & Toubro. So you should mention in the resume what is the position you are looking for, what is the organization, exactly you put. You should not generally, okay? You should not put generic like my abilities and all. What is your ability? That should come in the career objective. And what is the position you are looking for is also should be coming in the career objective. What is the company you are applying for, that is also should be career objective. So what I'm trying to say, the career objective is not fixed. It can be 4 or 5. You have to prepare a 4 or 5 career objective in a different thing, and you have to cut, copy, paste based on the requirement of the employer. One employer requirement must be different, other employer requirement must be another way. One employer position must be different, other employer position must be another way. You have to understand the job description. What is the requirement from the employer? And you may be having n number of talents, but you should not put all the talents you are having. You should put the talents what is suitable for the requirement for the position. Okay, that way you have to customize the career objective for every application. So what I'm trying to say, this is not standard. You should have multiple, and you should be customized career objective for every time, for every application. I would like to take 2-3 minutes time for any questions if you're having. I don't want to go jump everything. So this is very, very important. So far, whatever you have any questions, we'll open for 2 minutes. If you have any questions, you can put in chat also. 2 minutes. Any questions?
Guys, if you have any queries, please நீங்க கேட்கலாம் சார் கிட்ட. அன்மியூட் பண்ணி கேளுங்க. ஆடியன்ஸ்.
Okay. If you don't have questions, I am going forward with some more thing. Then we will discuss again.
Yes, sir, we can go forward, sir. I don't think anyone have any queries now.
Yeah. So, so again, I have one small short story. It will take only few minutes. Okay. Why I am saying the story? Also having some link on it, the topic, and there was an engineer called Hoover, HOOVER. He is finding very difficult for his living, struggling for food, struggling to survive. So he applied everywhere for the position, for engineering position, and some way other, through some other channel, he understand there is some job vacancy available in with the industrialist. He went and meet with the industrialist and requested for the job position. That industrialist said, presently we do not require an engineer. We don't have that much requirement for our organization, but we have vacancy. We have a typewriting people is required. We don't have the other vacancy. Would you interested to join? Then the engineer Hoover take a thought process, and he said, I need 4 days time to appreciate, to happy with his humility, because he is an engineer, but still he accepted to go for the lower profile for typewriting. The industrialist happy with this word, and he said, no problem, you can join after 4 days. Hoover went back. He don't know typewriting. He learned the typewriting skills and came back after 4 days. He joined the organization, and when he was given a job, he typed the entire requirements without any mistake. He do not have a previous experience with the 4 days knowledge. He just typed it with no mistakes. Later, that Hoover became the 31st president of United States of America. Why I am telling this story? Because your career objective. You are having some talent. Okay, you forget about the one word typewriter, but what I'm trying to say, you have to understand the vacancy in the organization. Accordingly, you have to train your skills and put it in the career objective. To enter into the job market, for the beginning time, it is okay to create skills appropriate to the job requirement. Okay. So whatever the graduation is a fundamental knowledge. Whatever entire people who worked, maybe nothing related to the what they studied. It's give you a confidence and thinking skills, how to handle, how to approach a project, how to approach a problem to solve. Okay, so you have to understand the job description. Every company, when they give advertisement, they will give job description. This is the skills I required. This is what I wanted. So you have to understand. So that is why I said the story. So if you aligned with the job description, you will go to any level. You have to tailor your requirements. You have to customize. You have to train yourself constantly to the changing, ever-changing requirements. Okay, that is the objective of the story. And education qualification. This is very clearly said about when the young girl Pavitra communicated to the king. She started from that the graduation, then her higher secondary, then secondary school, then where she studied. She mentioned, and which year she pursuing the education for the graduation. Other things she mentioned which year and the percentage. That's the education qualification. So basically, the education should qualification should be a reverse chronological order. The highest qualification should come first, and the second will second, then third. The lowest, the up to SSLC is secondary school. You have to mention. If you have diploma, you can include diploma also inside this. This is what education qualification. Then she mentioned about the projects, whatever she did for the. You must be given a mini project during some time. And as a part of your curriculum, you will be given a student project. So you have to mention what is your student project for bullet lines or 2-3 lines or just two paragraphs. What is objective? What you have done? How you have done? What you find? What is your finding in the objective? These 2-3 lines you have to capture in the academic projects and mini projects, whatever you take in. Then additional information. What is the award? What is the awards you have received? What is the certifications? Maybe like AutoCAD certification or Microsoft certifications. Whatever certifications you receive, that you can do that. What are the paper presented in the various colleges? You have to mention. What are all your extracurricular activities? Because when the interviewer sees this thing, maybe if he is having alignment with this one of the qualities, he may have a chance to get impressed because of your extracurricular activities. What is your patterns, number of patterns? Apart from your regular thing, what is the online courses, short-term courses, whatever thing you can capture in your resume. Then internship. It must be a short-term, 3 months or whatever it is, 6 months, based on your time availability. You can join any places and you can learn how to achieve a project through training, through goal setting and developing skills and knowledge by proper mentoring and practicing the skills. You will get the opportunity to learn a lot of things. You have to mention all your these things what you are achieved through internship also in the resume in a proper way. And any part-time work you have carried out during the sometime, maybe teaching to your juniors or somebody, or part-time work in any organization, that will definitely give you a value to your resume. People will respect your commitment towards work. And these people, maybe you know, may not be know, Jeff Bezos, Warren Buffett, Elon Musk, Oprah Winfrey, Indra Nooyi, Red Hastings, Jack Ma, Michael Dell, Mark Cuban. All these people are number one position in their field in the entire world. The Amazon, Jeff Bezos is the founder of Amazon, Warren Buffett, financial guru, and Elon Musk, you all know this guy scientist, and Oprah Winfrey speaker, Indra Nooyi, PepsiCo ex-CEO, and he's a Netflix founder, is a Dell laptop, then he's Alibaba. All these people worked for part-time during some time. Amazon founder Jeff Bezos worked as a cook. Warren Buffett, second most this rich man in the world, is paper boy. He put papers. This Elon Musk was a video game coder. This Oprah Winfrey worked in a grocery store. Indra Nooyi, when she don't have money to go to buy a coat for her first interview, she worked as a receptionist in the night to buy a coat. Again, the Netflix owner, he worked as a dishwasher cleaner, vacuum cleaner salesperson. Like everyone is a tourist guide. So everybody did not think of what they working as a part-time. They having a main goal, but they having some kind of part-time work that helped them to understand the value of money and value of the business, value of the people, what value of the interest, what is the how to run the business. When somebody asked the Dell founder Michael Dell, are you feeling bad to work as a dishwasher cleaner? You know, the Dell laptop, whatever we are having, that founder, he worked as a dishwasher. In one of the interview, when they asked, do you feel bad you worked as a dishwasher cleaner? He said, I worked in my age of 13 or 14 sometime, but if I worked 4 years before, I would have learned more. This is the word he said in the meeting, in the interview. So the more you have commitment, that will be reflected in any one of your this thing, internship, part-time, whatever things. The more you committed, that will be reflected in your work. Okay, so this is what I want to convey, and I'll show you one sample resume, then we can again go back. So can you see my sample resume here?
Yes, sir, it's visible, sir. We can see, sir, the resume sample.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So the first left corner, you can mention your name and civil engineer or structural engineer. What is your profile as per your design, whatever thing you are, maybe you can say whatever this, and your email ID. Your email ID should be a proper email ID. Through college days, maybe you create some funny email IDs that you have to ignore it. You have to create a professional email ID while you have to applying for resume. You have to give a contact number, and you have to give a career objective, seeking a challenging and rewarding opportunity. And this is one of the example only. Again, it is to be tailored based on your job description spelled out by the organization. And the organization என்ன சொல்றாங்களோ, அவங்க என்ன மாதிரி ஜாப் டிஸ்கஷன் கேட்குறாங்களோ, அதை பொறுத்து நம்ம ஒவ்வொரு முறையும் இந்த கேரியர் அப்ஜெக்டிவ் மாற்றிக்கிட்டே இருக்கணும். மேபி நம்ம 4-5 ரெஸ்யூம்ல வச்சுக்கலாம். ஓகேங்களா? ஐ வில் கம் டு டெல் யூ. ஓகே, இதுல என்ன பண்ணிருக்காங்கன்னா, ஒரு சிவில் இன்ஜினியர் would like to plan for a structural field. I do not know how much you people understand structural, environmental and all. We will talk to you in the open forum after the question and answer session. So want to engineering design, analysis and innovative work of buildings, factories and infrastructures to utilize my best of skills and technical knowledge under long-term basis, and I am ready to accept all the challenges that I encounter in my way, treating them as opportunities while recognizing and utilizes my fullest potential while nurturing my technical skills. This much is not required, but however you will customize to your requirements. Education qualification from the reverse chronological order: your highest degree, then secondary, maybe diploma or secondary, or higher secondary, then secondary, name of the institution, university board and year of completion, CGPA and percentage. And this thing is the one thing we are not able to tell in the story, that we can tell it right now, and maybe if you have any open question answer session also, we can do that. Domain, what is the domain you're looking for? Structural, environmental, infrastructures, whatever you want to do, or construction management. And tools, what are the tools you know? This is the softwares people we use in organization. The colored one is a generic: AutoCAD, MS Office, Primavera, Revit, everything you can use it for any profile. But this yellow one should be used only for you applying environmental engineering. The blue one you have to apply for when you road engineering, infrastructure, highways engineering. This unhighlighted one you can use it for the software structural engineering. Okay, this is what the very important thing. If you mix anything, no, people will misunderstand you, and they will not understand your interest of the topics, and they may not give you the position what you're looking for. And awards and certifications, what are the awards you have received? Maybe you have attended certification courses in university, IIT, whatever it is. Any effective communication skills you have attended, and any webinars you attended in any organization through ICI kind of thing. What is your GATE score? Any places you have attended some cracking any contest, you can attend that. And any business English you have attended any English courses or whatever thing. This is basically awards, certifications, publications, patents, conferences, and courses. Whatever you completed, you have to capture. So all these things shall come in the first page. This is the very important thing. Second page is project details. What is the project name, duration of the project, team says 3-4 people, and the description of the project, what you have done in the project, and what you have learned in the project, the process of the project. Maybe it is 1 paragraph or 2 paragraph based on your knowledge, whatever you are doing, you have to capture, but not more than the 2 paragraphs. People do not have time, because when you apply the position, they will get at 100,000 of resumes, so they have quick time. Generally 1 page is okay, but I recommend 2 pages, because if you are having lot of content, you have to mention what you have done. Maybe this is may help you to understand, okay, we are having next project in this composite deck slab. If this guy is suitable, it will be known to the people. Then again, you have any internship, any project you have done, that you can capture, and you can put date and place and your name and signature. Okay, this is one of the sample resume I want to one of the template I want to show. And just okay, so this is one another sample thing. And he is a topper in the college, and he did courses in Coursera and virtual reality courses, Excel skills, and Python data structures. Then he participated in the student design challenge organized by Bentley Institute, summer internship, whatever he did, that is one thing mentioned. And this is not required, your personal profile is not required in resume. He did it, I want to show this, not to mention, that is what the reason I have shown. And co-curricular activities, this is also important. Whatever you like this yellow cap community you are organizing, that also you can cap, you can put that what are the you did help for the your GCT for building website or anything, no, whatever you are doing, leading leadership skills, you can mention it. And any technical symposium attended, like in plant training, that you can put it. And achievements, whatever the achievements, no, your project work, whatever the paper presentation, that is also you have to mention, you can mention here. And this I said, photo to be scanned. Okay, and this is a little experienced guy resume to mention this to you for softwares. Okay, this guy is from environmental background, so software skills, whatever you mentioned, this way you can mention software skills also. Training program undergone, whatever you have done that. Okay, so this is what I want to tell you. So the do focus on what is in it for company, and the company la enna irukku enna kekranga. Do talk about your accomplishment, நீங்க என்னெல்லாம் achieve பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. This is what I said, to customize your resume for the job. Every job you are applying, you have to customize your resume. You cannot be once you prepare resume, you cannot send the resume for everybody. According to the project requirements, customer requirements, you have to change it. And do make every word and keyword count, because the keyword whatever you are using is the eye catching for the employer, prospective employer. Don't lie on your resume, because if sometime you catch, no, that will be embarrassing moment. Don't include anything irrelevant to the job description. எதுவுமே தேவையில்லாததை ஆட் பண்ணாதீங்க. Check that resume twice, spelling, grammar, formatting ரொம்ப ஒரு ஆக்வர்டா எல்லாம் பார்த்துக்கோங்க. ரொம்ப ஓவர் ஸ்டஃப் பண்ணாதீங்க. நம்ம சொன்ன மாதிரி 1 page 2 pages sufficient. Don't overstuff your resume. ஒரு பேஜ் 2 பேஜ் இருந்தா கூட போதும். சரியா? Then almost we coming to an end. Running race story, one small story again. Just we complete in 2 minutes. எனக்கிட்ட பேசும்போது when people approached me, they said that civil engineers having less prospects, so we want a guidance. So that's what they said. So I just tell you the run through convey the message through a running race story. When hundreds of people, thousands of people running in a race, ஒரு 1000 பேர் 100 பேர் ஓடும்போது, people aware that only 3 people can win. 3 பேர் தான் ஜெயிப்பாங்க, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் செகண்ட் தேர்ட் தான் ஜெயிப்பாங்கன்னு தெரியும். However, all people run at their best. எப்படி இருந்தாலும் 3 பேர் தான் ஜெயிப்பாங்க தெரிஞ்சாலும் எல்லாரும் அவங்களால முடிஞ்சதை ஓடுவாங்க. After the 3 people cross the finishing line, still all the other people run their best. They didn't give up because they're going to lose. Why they have to run fast? No, they give their best because they are not running for others, they are running for them. 3 பேர் ஜெயிப்பாங்கன்னு தெரிஞ்ச பிறகும் எல்லாரும் தன்னால முடிஞ்ச அளவுக்கு ஓடுவாங்க. அந்த 3 பேரும் அந்த ஃபினிஷிங் லைனை தாண்டின பிறகும் மற்றவங்க சரி 3 பேர் ஜெயிச்சிட்டாங்களே நம்ம சும்மா ஓடுவோம் அப்படின்னு கிடையாது. தன்னால முடிஞ்ச வரைக்கும் ஓடுவாங்க, எவ்வளோ பெஸ்ட்டாக முடியுமோ ஓடுவாங்க. ஏன்னா அவங்க ஓடுறது மற்றவங்களுக்காக இல்லை, அவங்களுக்காக. போன ரன்னிங் ரேஸை விட இந்த ரன்னிங் ரேஸ் நான் எவ்வளோ பெஸ்ட்டாக ஓடிருக்கேன், எவ்வளோ ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக ஓடிருக்கேன், எவ்வளோ எனர்ஜிக்கு ஓடிக்கிறதுதான் முக்கியமே தவிர 3 பேர் ஜெயிச்சிட்டாங்க நான் தோக்க தான் போகிறேனே அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு கிடையாது. ஸோ எனக்கு என்ன ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டிஸ் இருக்குது, நான் சிவில் இன்ஜினியரிங் இருக்கேனே எனக்கு தெரியலையே, அந்த மாதிரி இல்லாமல் உங்களால் முடிஞ்ச வரைக்கும் ஓடுங்க. ஒன்று என்னென்னா அவங்க தன்னுடைய இலக்கு நோக்கி ஓடினாங்க. தே ரேன் டுவர்ட்ஸ் தர் கோல். தே நோ வாட் இஸ் த ஃபினிஷிங் லைன். You need to know what is your finishing line. So that is what I'm here. If you want any questions, you can please ask me your questions. I can tell you what is your, how you can fix your goal. So if you don't believe in yourself, then who will? நீங்களே உங்க மேல நம்பிக்கை இல்லைன்னா உங்க மேல யார் நம்பிக்கை வைப்பாங்க? So you have to believe in yourself. Everything is possible. Dream, believe, act, achieve. நீங்க கனவு காணுங்க, நம்புங்க, செயல்படுங்க, வெற்றி கொள்ளுங்க. That's what I want to tell you. That's question and answer session. Question and answer session. I did it my work. So நான் சொன்ன மாதிரி கொஞ்சம் ஜாஸ்தி ஆயிடுச்சுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். But anyway, I tried to complete in 1 hour. Any question and answers?
So guys, ஏதாச்சும் டவுட் இருந்துச்சுன்னா கேளுங்க.
சார் இப்போ நம்ம ரெஸ்யூம்ல வந்து ஸோ வேற ஜாப்ஸுக்கு அப்ளை பண்றோம்னா லைக் டூஸ் அண்ட் டோன்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் கரியர் ப்ரிஃபரன்சஸ் மட்டும் தானே சார் மாறும். வி கேன் மற்றதெல்லாம் காமனா போட்டுக்கலாம்
இல்லம்மா. அது என்னன்னா ஸ்கில்ஸ் மாறும். யூ கேனாட் சேஞ்ச், யூ கேனாட் ஹேவ் அ காமன் ஸ்கில்ஸ். ஸோ அந்த பர்டிகுலர் ஜாபுக்கு எந்த ஸ்கில்ஸ் மட்டும் வச்சுக்கணும். மற்ற ஸ்கில்ஸ் வச்சிருந்தீங்கன்னா நீங்க இதுல இருக்க மாட்டீங்களோ, வில் யூ ஸ்விட்ச் ஓவர் த ஜாப்ன்ற மாதிரி ஒரு நம்பகத்தன்மை இல்லாத மாதிரி வரும். ஸோ யூ ஹேவ் டு கஸ்டமைஸ் யுவர் ஸ்கில்ஸ், யூ ஹேவ் டு கஸ்டமைஸ் யுவர் ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ். மேபி யூ ஹவ் டன் 2-3 ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ் பண்ணியிருந்தீங்கன்னா அதில் வந்து இதை வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்டாக போடணும். ஸோ யூ ஹேவ் டு ரீஅரேஞ்ச் யுவர் ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ் ஆல்சோ. ஸோ ஐ ரெக்கமெண்ட் யூ டு டூ ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ் இன் டிஃப்ரெண்ட் ஏரியாஸ் so that you can accordingly உங்களோட கேரியர் அப்ஜெக்டிவ் மாறும், எஜுகேஷன் குவாலிஃபிகேஷன் அதே தான் இருக்கும், பட் உங்கள் ஸ்கில்ஸ் மாறும், டொமைன் மாறும், தென் உங்களுடைய அகாடமிக் ப்ராஜெக்ட்ஸ் மாறும், உங்களுடைய பேப்பர் ப்ரெசன்டேஷனும் அதுக்கேற்ற மாற்றிக்கலாம். ஸோ எல்லாமே கஸ்டமைஸ் பண்ணணும். ஒவ்வொரு ஜாபுக்கும் ஒவ்வொரு மாதிரி கஸ்டமைஸ் பண்ணணும்.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
one by one, please.
Okay, you can ask. Whoever asks, please ask.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. Which skill is more important, the soft skill or the hard skill? Like subject skills or soft skills? The communication skills is more important, sir.
Both are important. Without that, no, it is very difficult. Both are even important. After some time, after you go reaching different level, communication skills is very much important. But at entry level, no, both are important. At entry level, both. But after some time, after your 5-6 years, no, mostly your communication skills is important. But now, at presently, to entry level, no, to give a confidence, your both skills are important. Of course, communication skills is also very important because it will give you confidence. Okay, whatever. Because no, I told you, no. Whatever you have studied, that is not going to apply. That is not going to be applicable majorly. So, are you be coachable? If I give training, will you understand whatever I am teaching you? So that is very much possible through communication skills only. However, again, if the person is not in good in technical skills, even he is already having communication skill, then how he is lacking technical skills? That also be questioning. So if you already have communication skills, very good in communication skills, how are you lacking in technical skills? Then you are already lacking in technical skills. Even if I train, whether this guy will understand or not. So at presently, it is not like only communication skills is important. Even to gain to confidence to speak in front of you cannot talk just like that in communication skills unless you have technically capable. No, you cannot talk in front of people.
Yes, sir.
So it is not grammar. If I'm very familiar with grammar, if I know with vocabularies, no, I cannot manage unless otherwise you have stuff. You do not have a food in your vessel, even though it is a gold vessel, you cannot create food.
Yes, sir. Understand.
So both are important.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
கைஸ் உங்களுக்கு என்ன குவரினாலும் ஒரு தடவை ஹேண்ட்ஸ் ரைஸ் பண்ணிட்டு அப்புறம் அன்மியூட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. நெக்ஸ்ட் சார் chat பாக்ஸ்ல கொஞ்சம் queries இருக்கு சார்.
Can you please read it?
Yes sir.
Excuse me,
The
just
first...
one minute. I'll just
Yes,
take
sir.
water, small water.
Yes sir.
Please. Yeah.
So the first question is from Raghavi. She's asking, sir, is this compulsory to have a profile photo in our resume?
No, not required. No, not required. It is an added value only. It is not required, not compulsory.
So next question on the importance of cover letter and its preparation, sir. By Sandhya.
Yeah, it is required. Okay, maybe we have not covered in this thing. Maybe you can send me an email. I will send you and I will tell you separately. A cover letter is required, but not required for everything. It is also not mandatory. It is okay, optional only. Cover letter also. Anyway, I will share my email ID and I will guide people anything. I will share you this templates for cover letter separately.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, next question on the what are the ways to do a project under an IIT professor? Or IIT professor approach பண்றதுக்கு way கேட்டிருக்காங்க sir.
What is the opportunity to approach the IIT professor? You have to meet the IIT professor or you have to go and present that papers in the IIT. So you have to create a relationship. See, basically, no, you need to create a relationship. That will happen only through, that is what I said in the adaptive nature. At the very beginning, no, the first thing I put soft skills, adaptive nature. You need to travel a lot. Sitting in one place, you cannot create friendship. You have to travel a lot. You have to attend lot of conferences. You have to attend lot of training sessions. You have to attend lot of webinars. You have to attend lot of paper presentation. While attending that, you will have an opportunity to talk in front of people. Hence, if you, as you said in the young girl, no, just add a point, very clear point with the king. King got impressed and asked her details. Similar way, as long as if you providing the right information in front of the audience, people will ask you, people will happy to talk to you. So you should move out. Sitting in one place, nothing will happen. You have to move out of your comfort zone.
Okay, sir. So next question on the, as a civil engineer, field experience is important. In the pandemic situation, எப்படி improve பண்றது நம்ம core skills அப்படினு கேட்டிருக்காங்க sir.
You have to, yes, field skills is very much important. The pandemic situation is not a big thing. Even in the pandemic situation also, major construction is happening. So the lockdown is not fully is working, on and off is there. You have to approach the right person. You have to go to them. However, before going, even you get a short appointment also, you can learn through the people. You can talk to the people. You can study that. They can through the phone communication, through the Skype communication, you can ask them to visualize. You no need to go to the big places to the learn. Nearby places also, wherever nearby your home also somebody is constructing, you can go there. But if you still not able to understand this answer, you can contact me sometime. I will tell you how to guide you. Basically, you need to go to very big place, big organization for the learning of the field work. Every area, every street, somebody is constructing. You have to go. Only thing, the construction is very small or big, but the entire process is some way or other, it is similar only. You need to have a mentor, guide to help you to understand what is happening. Otherwise, if you can go to nearby construction place, it is okay. If you are struggling with some of the thing, please let me know. I can try to help you.
Okay, sir. So, next question is, what are the minimum capability that every civil engineer should possess? So, ஒரு civil engineer-க்கு தேவையான skills பத்தி கேக்குறாங்க sir, basic skills.
Yeah, basic skills, no, it is depends on what profile they are looking for. For example, are they going for site engineering? Are they going for design engineering? Are they going for an environmental engineering? Are they going for the road engineering? That's what I told you in my template, resume template. According to the expectations, civil engineer is a common term. Civil engineering முடிச்சிட்டு நீங்க என்னவாக போறீங்க? What field you going to choose? Do you want to become a structural engineer? Do you want to become an environmental engineer? Do you want to become a road engineer? What is your goal? Accordingly, you have to select. I have already mentioned that with different colors, no. That way, we have to build the skills and do the projects. Again, if you have any particular question, you can contact me. I will guide the people. Basically, you need to understand what you are looking for. You cannot think for இன்னைக்கு திங்க் பண்ணக்கூடாது 10 வருஷம் கழிச்சு நான் என்னக்க போறேன் 10 இயர்ஸ்க்கு அப்புறமா நான் என்ன மாதிரி இருக்க போறேன். இஃப் யூ ஹேவ் அ லாங் டேர்ம் அந்த பர்ஸ்பெக்டிவ் இருந்துச்சுன்னா யூ கேன் டேக் டிசிஷன் ரைட் நவ். சிவில் இன்ஜினியரிங் முடிக்கும் போது கிடையாது 10 வருஷத்துக்கு அப்புறம் நான் என்னவா இருக்க விரும்புறேன் நான். ஆஃப்டர் 10 years what is my job role? For that I am preparing. I am not preparing for next 3 years. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. So, sir, civil engineering related technological updates பத்தி கேட்டுக்கிறதுக்கு சில வெப்சைட்ஸ் can suggest some websites.
I'm sorry.
Sir, civil engineering fieldல updates இருக்குது இல்லைங்க சார், recent updates எல்லாமே. ஸோ அதெல்லாம் எப்படி தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறது? ஸோ அதுக்கான வெப்சைட்ஸ் or apps
you have to take a membership, for example, no, there is lot of things you can write, no, you can text also to the people. Indian Concrete Institute ஒன்று இருக்கு. Then SEFI இருக்கு. Then IEI, Indian Institution of Engineers India. I am typing in chat, okay, for the benefit of all the people.
Okay, sir.
Institution of Engineers India and Indian Concrete Institute and SEFI and Institution of Engineers India, Indian Concrete Institute, and lot of people are there. In stock. I mentioned 4 things. One is Institution of Engineers India, Indian Concrete Institute, SEFI, Instack. Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Then ACI committee, then AAC committee. So maybe in our GCT itself, you must be having the branches, students community, you know, for the ICI, Indian Institution of Engineers India, all must be available. If you don't know, you talk to your seniors. If your seniors also don't know, you take an initiative, talk to the Indian Concrete Institute, take and start a branch. You can start a branch in your the present place. You can start a branch in GCT. Like Indian ICI GCT, IEA GCT, Instack GCT, ACI GCT, AAC GCT. So like that, you can talk to the people, get the branch like that. You can have a thing. So you don't need to worry about go and find thing. Already it is happening in your college itself, no? Then you can easily talk to the people.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir. So, அடுத்த question வந்து how to approach research oriented courses-னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க சார்.
Research oriented course. The question is not clear. I'm sorry.
Scope for an environmental engineer.
Yeah, everybody is having scope. There is nothing because now you know entire world is getting polluted. We need to entire waste water, whatever is from industrial or from the domestic waste should be treated before delivering to the river. Okay, any place, or even it is not allowed. So many places, when I worked in Qatar, there is a separate big factory, big industry where they collect the industrial and domestic wastage from the entire Qatar and clean the water and recycle the water to the before sending to the backwater to the sea. So in India also now they are even environmental engineers only developing the seawater to the in Ennore, no? So environmental engineers having lot of scope.
ஓகே சார், தேங்க்யூ சார். சார் இப்போ அடுத்த வந்து கொஸ்டின்ஸ் வந்து நாங்கள் கூகுள் ஃபார்மில் முதல்ல சர்க்குலேட் பண்ணியிருந்தோம், வாட் ஆர் த குவைரிஸ், ஜென்ரல் குவைரிஸ்னு. ஸோ அதுலேருந்து கேட்குறேங்க சார். இப்போ மேஜர், அதாவது procedures to start a construction company by a group of friends.
Procedure to start a group of company means you need to gain experience. Once you get the experience, you need to have a contact networking, because through networking only you get an opportunity to build the construction. So you need to have a knowledge, experience, then you need to have a networking to get the opportunity to build the thing. So once you get that, you can do the start. You can start on construction. Yes.
Okay, sir. So career growth for girls in L&T, sir.
There is nothing called girls and.
In the core companies la.
That's right. There is nothing called girls and boys. Everybody is same. Don't ask the question. Everybody is same. I'm sorry to understand, because for okay, we never sir, treat them. We never treat them girl boy is important. For us everyone is same.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. So core companiesல என்ன procedure யூஸ் பண்ணனும் உள்ள வரதுக்குன்னு கேக்குறாங்க சார்.
Same procedure only. You have to study well, you have to gain marks, you have to attend this interview, you have to gain the communication skills, you have to aptitude skills. The whatever the similar thing. If you go for campus interview, already you have a placement officer in your maybe not in your batch, maybe third year you will develop, no? In every branch you will be having placement officer, correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So
you have selected, sir.
Yeah, you have to train yourself to gain a knowledge.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, next questions in the chat box la potrukanga, sir. How to approach choose college for masters? Do we have to look for the ranking?
Certain extent yes, but however certain extent only yes, you can see ranking and you can see the people who are passing out of the college, how much they are getting placement. Okay, yes, so ranking is as long as you are having a good placement in one college. For example, GCT, people are getting placement. People are coming for placement from all the organization. So as long as if I do not know what is the ranking for GCT, if you see me the ranking, then it will be very below. IIT, all IITs will occupy, then Anna University will occupy, then BITS Pilani will occupy, all people will occupy, then will come. But as long as at the end of the day, people coming out of that college are getting placement or not.
Okay, sir.
That is what important.
Sir, there is another query, sir. ஒருத்தம் கேட்டிருக்காங்க, I have a patent from Indian intellectual property for a project that I did in diploma, and I also received the best paper award from IEI Convocation 2019.
Okay.
Also while doing my diploma, so after 2 years when I'm approaching an interview after my UG, whether these kinds of things will be a perk for me or not?
Definitely work. Till you die, it will be work, because that will show your interest, your ability of research skills. So that by this time that will be part of your blood. So that will serve you a lot. That will help you to see things differently. You will not just follow the huge goat. You will be looking different. You by yourself, you know that how you see things. Definitely that will be helpful.
Okay, sir. So இப்போதைக்கு அவ்வளோ queries இருக்கு. So finally, one question, sir. A government job or private job, sir, which is a better for a civil engineer, sir?
It depends on the person to person. I choose a private. எனக்கு வந்து government from the beginning I'm not interested with government. I would like to private only because many things in the factor again no we all work for money. We have to we many people say that my work is passion. I want to serve country. I want to do this and all. But at the end of the day, we are all working for money only. Where you are getting money, you will get work money from the private only. You cannot get money in the government. So when considering all this, but initial period government is giving money. Very beginning stage government will give money, but over a period of time, private is the only place they will give money.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So you have done. So can you see my presentation? Oh, can you see my presentation?
Yes, sir. Yes, we can see, sir.
So this is my email ID. If somebody having any questions, maybe they can send email. I may not respond immediately because I'm not seeing my personal email often. I will take time, but definitely respond sometime. You can mention you are studying in GCT, some contact number and all, whatever you can see that. Then I will try to respond as soon as possible.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So anything can we say? Thank you or anything is there?
Sir, yes, there's a thank you note from one of our friends, sir.
Thank you so much.